I'm Gavin Smith, President of Bosch in the region Oceania. With a proud 130-year history, Bosch is today one of the world's largest industrial companies. A leader in factory automation, industrial IoT, and artificial intelligence, our products and services are designed to spark enthusiasm, improve quality of life, and help conserve natural resources. In short, we want to create technology that is invented for life. And we want to do that not just by ourselves, but by partnering with companies that share that vision. Our partnership with 3RT is a case in point. Bosch will supply the digital production units used to produce 3RT's innovative products, bringing to bear all the leading-edge technology at our disposal. This partnership is a great example of how to combine the strengths, capabilities, and innovation of an early-stage business with those of an industrial giant, to turbocharge the potential of Australian innovations. We are most excited to embark on this journey with 3RT.